Okay, good afternoon, or still morning, good morning. So, and welcome to Swift.ng ERO-How. This morning we'll be taking you on the production module, and then all you need to do is to go to Swift.ng Cloud ERP.com and go to login where you input your email and your password. So, you just go straight and log in. So, after logging in, we'll be taking the production module. And now, for every company, businesses that are into production, now this enables you to set up all your raw material, finish product, and of course, do your um, do your sales and all the rest of the production aspect. So to go to production, so the first thing we need to do is to set up our raw material. So for instance, now this morning, I want to produce a product. Okay, let's just say kuno aya. Okay, so let's call it kuno drink, right? So the starting stock. Now, if you don't have a starting stock, you can do it as a purchase. But the starting stock, I'll just put 1,000 here. The raw materials, how much was it purchased? Okay, so let's say it's in Moodle, right? So instead of this is here, I could put Moodle. They measure in Moodle in the market and all of that. So we are creating this particular. Oh, we are creating this particular raw material, but what we intend to produce is kuno iron. So permit me, what we are supposed to use is the raw materials in producing this kuno iron and not the kuno iron itself. So I'm going to change this one to uh, we have things like tiger nuts. Okay, so tiger nuts. So we save this. Uh, so after tiger nuts, we have things like maybe milk flavor if you decide to use the milk flavor. Okay, so this one to starting quantity we can put it as 1,000. Then purchase price for the flavor, let's say this is 150. Okay, okay, okay. Right. So we have things like coconut, coconut. So let's put coconut. We're not going to use sugar because most people don't like using sugar. Coconut. Okay, so this coconut will actually be the main coconut and it could be in form of the powder one as the case may be. But the fresh one is better. So don't ask me how I don't do kuno aya, but I think I have an idea of the whole process. So okay, so let's just take this as our basic raw material. Of course, this is just to show you how to produce. So this might not be all the raw materials, okay, but using what's it called? Debino. There's also Debino and the rest of them. So, but permit me here to just use these three that we have here. So, coconut, milk flavor, and tiger nut. So, we'll go back to production mode and go to set up. Now, we'll set up our raw materials. We're going to set up our finished product. So, this is the end product now. So, we're going to create what we intend to produce. right? So if you have it in your inventory, you can pass through the inventory. So you want to produce what is called Kono drink, right? So the starting quantity is zero because we have not produced anything. So um, we just go straight and we create. So after creating it, we go and click on the finished product to add our raw material. So I'll click on this Kono Aya, to add all our raw materials. So um, you could also have things like a byproduct, right? So in the course of producing Kuno Aya, if you can generate any other thing, maybe shaft or anything for chicken and the rest of them, so you can do all of that. So coconut, here I will just put 20 quantities here and add raw materials. So we have three of them, so we need to add them one after the other. So coconut has been added. So the next thing we add is the milk flavor. Milk flavor, we're just going to add 5. It doesn't need to be too much so that when the flavor is too much, it can also damage the drink. So tiger nut, we can put 50 so that add that. Then we update product quantity. This is just the conversion rate here. So we have it as 1 to 6. So if there's a byproduct, we can add up the byproduct. So for now, um, there is no byproduct. So if there is, you can as well add it. So having said that, you can see the raw material, the three of them has been added. So we'll go now to production module and set up our production order. So you can see them, they are following each other. You could get your raw materials, uh, you add them, you do your setup, your finished goods. So now the production order, what we tend to produce, you set up the order. So the good thing about this is it helps you keep them in batches. So this is batch one, meaning nothing has been produced. So you can see what to produce there is higher. So we want to produce 150, okay, 150 bottles, right? So we click on production order. So now it's telling us that some of your raw material are not in stock. If you want to post, please click on the product below to see. Now for the raw materials, now we need to add to them. So not ready. So I'll click on this place here and do it in form of a purchase, right? So you can see them here now. So if you select a vendor, so I just call a vendor or should say items not available. So this coconut, tiger nuts are not really available. So I want to add to them by way of doing purchase. So you can see them. Uh, the order is being processed, and then I'll confirm order here. You can see what we are adding here so that we can be able to have uh, sufficient quantities to produce. However, okay, don't worry about the timing out. So we'll log in again and continue from where we stop. So under the items that we posted, we see pending purchase and transfer. So you can see coconut and tiger nuts. So we want to add up the quantities. So we'll confirm this so that we'll be able to produce 150 bottles. So that order has been confirmed. So I'll still go back to our production order. Now I'm not generating another production order. I'm simply going to production order and start using today's date. to continue from where we stop. So we have the date there, or you have the reference number. You can start with the reference number. So this is it here. So I'm going to click on the reference number to continue from where we stop. So why we did that was just to have uh, what's it called? So we could also add up other products if you have. So, but I don't have any. So I'll just click add here. Let it be like another product is being added. So here now you approve production request. So approving production request enables you to approve whatever you want to produce below. So if you check below, you can see two items being produced, one as a product, one as like a byproduct. So this product here, we want to make use of this 150. So I'll click approve to post our raw materials. Approve so that we'll be able to post our raw materials. I think all the raw materials are available to produce this Kuno Aya. So I'll click on post raw materials here. And then after that, we will now return raw materials. If we have excess, maybe you you, you have and you are not able to utilize all what you wanted to use because of production, so you can return them, put their quantity here. If you are not returning anything, you leave it at zero and just click on return raw materials. But if you have, you can put their numbers there. So now this is it. This is almost like the final stage where we are. So we are producing 150 pieces like bottles of Kuno Aya. So here you put the remark. I can just say production completed. Post quantity produced. So by the time you post the quantities produced, you will now discover that it pop up a notification here, which is pending purchases and transfer. Okay, so this is the Kunwaya 150. So if you click confirm now, automatically if you go to your um, inventory to check your Kuno drink, you will now discover that 150 products have been produced. So that's just pretty it about production. Do have a wonderful day, and we'll keep you informed and updated of any other information that comes up. Thank you.